What's up people? Today yet another vlog. हम लोग जा रहे हैं वेव्स. यार ऑफ लेट लाइफ अपडेट्स ऐसी हैं कि कुछ 2-3 दिन पहले ना भाई हीट स्ट्रोक ही हो गया था. लास्ट व्लॉग अगर आप लोगों ने देखी होगी तो वी वेंट फ्रॉम थाने टू कांदिवली टू चेंबूर टू मासगांव डीलिंग फॉर दैट एयर जॉर्डन 4 SB नेवी. लास्ट मंथ वाज सुपर्ब. 4 जूते फ्लिप किए अलॉन्ग विद यूतो माचा. 3 जॉर्डन 4 SB नेवीज थे एंड अर्नड अराउंड 15,000 रुपीज. द बेस्ट पार्ट आई नेवर स्पेंड दैट मनी. आई ऑलवेज चूज टू इन्वेस्ट इट बैक इनटू माय क्रिएटिविटी ताकि आप लोगों तक कंटेंट बढ़िया क्वालिटी का पहुंच सके. इनफैक्ट अभी हमने ना छोटी सी लाइट खरीदी है विच इज फॉर 2500. I'll tell you कि इसका यूज क्या होता है. बहुत अमेजिंग है. Amazon से खरीदी. मैं इसका परचेज लिंक भी नीचे डाल दूंगा. बहुत सारे लोग ये सब टाइप के कमेंट्स करते हैं भाई. बट यार ये क्या सीन है. बिफोर द फर्स्ट ऑफ एवरी मंथ वी ड्रॉप अ वीडियो फॉर द होल मंथ कि जो स्नीकर्स ड्रॉप होने वाले हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल मई मंथ में कौन कौन से स्नीकर्स ड्रॉप होने वाले हैं, इंडिया में क्या रिलीज होगा, कितना रीसेल होगा, क्या स्टोरी है, नाइकी, एडिडास, एसिक्स, न्यू बैलेंस, एवरीथिंग, कवरिंग एवरीथिंग. Go and watch these videos because trust me, people are already making money flipping these sneakers, buying it, selling it on SmartKicks Market. The process is explained, how to cop it is explained. It's very simple. Oh, we have reached here, Geo World Convention. Okay, it's a question. What car do I drive? Does anyone has any idea? Drop a comment. Okay, what am I wearing today? It's a very simple outfit because it's very hot outside in Mumbai. I'm wearing a New Balance 1906A, super comfortable, and I've been wearing this for like second day in a row now because too much walking around. This is a baggy jeans by one of my favorite denim brands. This is Pepe, and this is Guns and Thighs ka t-shirt with a nice back print. Bite me. I love that. And this is Stark Industries Opium Limited Edition eyewear. Oh, this is our kind of stuff, huh? Oh, green screen. Let's see. This thing will change like this. That's the power of green screen. Okay, this is the real hub for creators. बहुत exciting चीज़ है यार. Look at the number of cameras kept there. I have to ask him, bro, what is this? Like, I have to understand why these many cameras. What do you guys do?
Yeah.
What's your name first of all?
My name is Kunal.
Kunal, what do you do here?
I am a business development manager here. Yeah, so basically we have 96 camera setups,
Okay.
and all these cameras and lights are connected to that one PC.
Okay.
In a one single click, you will get captured by 360 degrees, and that 360 degrees will convert you into the 3D model as a digital avatar.
I don't know what am I going to do if I get access to this kind of tech. Like, imagine you dropping a sneaker review with a 360 degree scan. It's going to blow up the internet overnight. I love that. Ooh, comic Kona. भाई चाचा चौधरी दिख गए अपने चाचा चौधरी दिख गए.
My name is Pawan Kampeli. I am from Hyderabad. I have one bronze medal for India in Asian Esports Games 2024.
My name is Daniel. I am from Mumbai and I am 18. I got the first gold medal for India in the esports category for eFootball Mobile.
My name is Tejas Mehra. मैं WC3 में गोल्ड मेडल जीता हूँ इंडिया के लिए.
How do you see the industry growing in the next 5 years?
It's going to go quick day by day, and now esports and sports I can say it's on a similar level now. And of course in India there are young talent there, but the platform is not there. So I think Waves is doing a good point. You can see your clips all the way. eFootball is basically a mobile game. Same for WCC, it's a World Cricket Championship 3. So these two games were included in Waves in this competition. So we are the winners here.
What exactly is happening here? I have no idea about this.
So it's a 360 degree user experience. Everything is virtual reality. You're entering into the war zone. You're surrounded into the war situation and you're fighting it. It's just a start. I think there are lots of things that is going to come into the future.
Guys, I've just come out. There was a lot of tech involved, AI, advanced future in content creation alongside gaming. And Waves is one of those platforms for all these creators who are going to make it really big. I see the industry booming. Now we're going to do some interviews. We're going to ask some people about what they're wearing, what they're flaunting. What do you do?
We have a post-production studio.
Why did you choose Onitsuka Tiger today for your feet?
I was in Japan recently and वहाँ से ये तो लाना ही बनता ही
Sir,
है.
now we have to talk. How much did you pay? Because Indians want to know कि जापान में Onitsuka Tiger
जापान में
इतना
सस्ता
क्यों
मिला
मिला?
मुझे. This is for 8,500.
8,500 for this Onitsuka.
Yes.
Guys, this is not less than 12,000 in India.
Yes.
This guy got it for 8,500. Smart shopping while you travel, right?
Yes.
What's your name, bro?
I'm Thompson Andrews.
Thompson, bro. What is this outfit? This is insane. I love the snapback. I love the eyewear. I love this jacket. It's
Arey,
like some
superb.
Kanye West shit, man. Right? Straight from Chicago.
This is just me, and I love your style as well. I love this. In fact, I love this T-shirt. I was
Yeah,
actually
this
checking
is-
out कौन से brand का बना
This
है.
is by Guns and Thighs. But thank you so much for
Of course.
interacting with us.
Yeah, my
And
pleasure.
hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
Ma'am, we are doing some content around fashion and sneakers at Waves.
Yeah,
You look so elegant with that sari.
yeah.
What's your name, ma'am, and what do you do?
I'm Smita Sharma.
Okay.
I am DG PIB, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, handling the media and communication at Waves.
I see that the creator economy is booming right now.
Yeah.
And Waves coming at
Yeah.
this point of time.
Yeah.
I'm sure the government is now interested in supporting the creators, creating a platform for them. How do you see the next 5 years of the creator economy in India?
Let me correct you. Government has always been supportive of the creator economy. The Honorable Prime Minister has been saying that this is the future.
Okay.
India has to become the global leader in terms of the great creator economy.
Wow.
While he was here with us on the inaugural day, he talked about creating an orange economy, kind of a platform where our youngsters can use their creative aptitude to take India to the global platform. And I think the Waves as a platform will give them that kind of a boost to express their creativity and take their creations to a global audience.
Wow, man, such a sorted response, and I'm now more clear about the agenda of the government also. We are going to keep on creating content, bring India on the global map around this.
All
with
the
all your
very
support.
best.
Thank you so much, man.
My name is Simran Patel. I'm in real estate.
I generally make content around sneakers and fashion.
Okay.
Fashion is an inevitable part of human existence now.
Just now we had this discussion. It's like if I could wear those saris, like how Alia Bhatt wore in one of these movies, Rocky Rani, if I could wear that always, I would happily wear that. We are proud of our culture, and of course, you know, it can be stylish. It's just
Exactly.
you do you.
Thank you so much for interacting with us, ma'am. You enjoy your time here in India. Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
love your outfit.
Thank
The
you.
orange sneakers and the orange shirt. It's going
Thank you so
amazing.
much.
What's
Miss
your
my
name?
orange lipper.
No, I love that. I hope you
No,
understand.
I don't mind.
like-
That's okay.
What's your name, ma'am? What do you
My
do?
name is Parul and I'm a media professional. So we promote film, music, it's all about entertainment.
What one piece of advice would you like to give to someone who's getting into a media profession, especially into marketing,
I
very
think
young?
they should very, very encouragingly join this stream of work because it's beautiful, it's exciting.
What sneakers are those? They're just like they're catching the
Under
attention.
Armour.
Under Armours, and that color is so peppy.
Thank you so much.
Deliberately picked that color,
Yes,
right?
so that I could coordinate with,
I love that kind of people with that kind of choice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am,
Thank
for interacting
you,
with us.
thank
You have a
you.
great evening.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye.
What's your name, bro?
Aditya.
Aditya, what is this, man?
It's
This
a
is
cosplay.
amazing.
We
But
are
this
wrapping
is like
up.
you made this all together?
Yeah.
Superb, man. Oh, you have a mask also inside so that it doesn't hurt you much. But this is all artificial, right?
Yeah.
I mean, artificial as in you just made it using some different materials.
made of a foam.
How much time did you take to make it all together?
21 days.
21 days of labor, man. I mean, this is creative work at peak.
Yeah, this is not the first one, but we have also made characters from DC, Marvel, Iron Man, Batman,
Bro,
Captain
I wish
America.
you guys so amazing. Good luck. You guys are so creative.
I am a part of the social media team.
Wow, I got the right person. What's your name?
My name is Soumya.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
How do you see the creator economy? Because you're handling the social media for them.
The planning started 8 months back. The number of actors that came in, the number of entertainment things that happened here, the industry got together, AI, the entertainment, culture. It's an amalgamation of everything happening. This time we've had about 250 sessions. I think we'll have double the next time.
What is this white stuff that you're wearing? What do you call it?
It's a play suit. I got from a street shop in Delhi. I'm from Delhi.
How much did you pay for that outfit?
About $12.99.
$12.99. You're so honest, but this is so amazing, guys. Look, fashion doesn't come expensive all the time. You just have to be a smart buyer. I wish you an amazing time. Thank you so much for interacting with us.
Thank you.
You're so confident. I wish you all the good luck. I hope you enjoyed these interactions. Amazing people out there. What fashion they're carrying. And I see the creator economy is really going to boom in India now. And I hope you get to learn a lot about this industry. मुझे तो काफी मजा आया. But I hope you keep enjoying the content. Keep subscribing to the channel. I will keep on bringing some more exciting content and infotainment for you. Till my next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Tips.